Ready to kickstart your career with Infosys? Let's get you higher. First, grab your laptop and head to the Infosys Careers website. You can easily find it by searching Infosys Careers in your favorite search engine. Make sure it's the official website. Once on the website, look for the Careers section. Within the Careers page, you will find a list of available opportunities. Now, this is important. Use the filters to narrow down your search results to the specific roles that interest you. Focus on jobs that are labeled as freshers or entry level. This helps you streamline your application. Before you applied, you'll likely need to create an account or log in. If you already have one, fill in the required personal details. This includes your name, email, and contact information. Be accurate. Next, upload your resume. Make sure your resume is up to date and highlights your skills, education, and any relevant projects or experiences. Also, gather any other required documents, such as transcripts or certificates, as per instructions. The application form itself will request your educational qualifications, work experience if any, and preferred skills or technologies. Double-check all the information for accuracy. Once you've filled in everything, carefully review your application before clicking the Submit or Apply button. Good luck. And that's it. Following these steps will help you start your application journey with Infosys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips.